Hi, Mr. Davis. My name is Kate. I'm a respiratory care student, and today I'm going to show you how to use your oxygen tank here and also how we hook you up to oxygen at the hospital. Okay? First off, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands. And I'm going to bring around your oxygen here, or your oxygen tank. We have to store it in a cool, dry, upright position. Okay? I know that it's oxygen because of the color system here. It's a green tank. You can also read the labeling here that it's oxygen. And I want to show you this trolley that we can take it and we can go around with the oxygen. All right? Oxygen is combustible, so or supports combustion, so we always want to make sure that it's always stored properly. We have a regulator here. The regulator goes on top of the tank. This is an E cylinder, so we can use the oxygen that's inside. All right. Here we also can see this regulator is for oxygen, color-coded, and then also read here that the oxygen coming through. We'll go ahead and show you that we use a pin index safety system. So there's 2 pins here and an O-ring. We'll connect that to the top and secure it tightly. So those pins fit right into it. Also, that O-ring fits on the top of the canister tank here. Make sure it's nice and tight. And I'm going to go ahead and crack the tank. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to show you here that we're reading our gauge when we're doing this. So I'll go ahead and put it on top here, and I'll let anybody know, especially with our big H tanks, it's going to make a loud noise when you crack the tank. So we just want to clear the line to make sure that there's no debris and anything in there when we hook it up to you. Okay, so we'll turn it on. And all of a sudden we see that it's on because we can see that the pressure jumped up all the way to 2,000 PSI. So now that we know that the tank is on, we can also turn the flow meter on. You can hear the oxygen flow. Go ahead and shut that off. So to see how long this tank will last us if we were out and about, what we'll do is get your pressure times the cylinder coefficient and divide that by the flow. So right now, this is at 2,000 PSI, and the cylinder coefficient for an E cylinder is 0.28. So we do 2,000 times 0.28 and divide that number by 2, since you're using the flow of 2. And we'll go ahead and if we do that math, then we get 280, and that will equal 280 minutes. So we know that this tank will last us out there. If it gets below 500 PSI, we'll want to replace the tank. We don't want to use that just for safety precautions, okay? So now that we know how long it's going to last, I'll show you how to take this regulator off. First thing we're going to do is shut off the gas using our wrench. Okay, the air is off, the gas is off. We'll go ahead and bleed it out, and we can see if we're reading our gauge here that the pressure is slowly going down. You can hear that the oxygen dies off and that the PSI reads 0.